So let's talk about mass, weight, and density. So we begin by looking at mass. So mass is simply the quantity of matter in a body, and the SI unit is kilograms. Other equivalent measures of mass are as shown in the table. And therefore, with it is easier to convert from one unit to another. So let's look at example 1, where we are required to find the mass of a textbook in kilograms, given that the textbook has 268 leaves, each leaf having a mass of 50 centigrams, and the cover is 20 grams. So in this case, we'll find the total mass of the leaves, which will be 50 times the total number of leaves, 268, divided by 100,000. That is converting from centigrams to kilograms. So that would give us 0.134 kilograms. Then mass of the cover in kilograms will be 20 divided by 1,000. So that gives us a total mass of the book as 0.134 plus 0.02, and that is 0.154 kilograms. Weight, on the other hand, is simply a measure of the pull of the Earth's gravity on a body So the unit of weight is the Newton. So weight of an object can be got from the expression weight equals to mass times gravitational pull. So in example 2, if the acceleration due to gravity on the moon is a sixth of that on the earth, what would a mass of 50 kilograms weigh on the moon? So we take gravitational pull of the earth, G, to be 9.8 newtons per kilogram. So in this case, the weight will simply be mass times G, and that would be 50, and the gravitational pull of the moon is 1/6 of that of the earth, so that's 1/6 of 9.8. So that gives us a weight of 81 2/3 newtons. Finally, density, on the other hand, is simply the mass of a unit volume of a substance. Its SI unit is kilograms per cubic meters, though we can also express density in grams per cubic centimeters. So density is mass over volume. In example 3, we are required to calculate the mass of 205 cubic centimeters of a steel if its density is 7,800 kilograms per cubic meter. So this is an application question, and it directly asks the relation between mass, density, and volume. So since the volume is given in cubic centimeters, we convert or change our density from kilograms per cubic meters to grams per cubic centimeters. So that would be 7,800 divided by 1,000. So we have 7.8 grams per cubic centimeters. But from density equals to mass over volume, mass will therefore be density times volume, and that would be 7.8 times 205, and that would give us a mass of 1,599 grams.